The Little Butterfly by Sherry Shahan. There's the butterfly right there. The sun shines on wildflowers. A tiny egg hides under a leaf. So see, here's all the wildflowers. There's a tiny leaf, and right there's the egg. The egg splits open, a caterpillar crawls out. So there's the egg, and here comes the caterpillar, still on the leaf. The caterpillar is very hungry. She eats her eggshell, munch. That gives them their first meal. So these are real pictures. I love this book because it's real pictures. She grows bigger. Leaves are yummy. Crunch. So the caterpillar loves to eat leaves. Other insects join the feast. Grand aphids slap, slurp, sap. So there's those little aphids. Bees slurp nectar. See, there's a bee right in the flower, and the nectar's right in the middle of the flower. Spiders spin webs to trap meals. So there's the spider. I have this spider web so they can trap little things to eat. The caterpillar grows even bigger. Soon she will be too big for her own skin. To keep growing, she must shed her skin. This is called molting. Her old skin splits open, she wiggles out. It's just like when you grow too much to fit in your shirt, you just kind of get a new one. That's what the caterpillar does. She just her old skin splits open and she wiggles out. So those jeans and shirt get too little as you're growing, you wiggle out of them, don't you? Just like the caterpillar. She has a new set of stripes. Wow, look at that. And she is always hungry. So they're always eating. Just like when you get hungry. They're always eating. Her body is done growing. She has molted 4 times. So when she has grown out of her skin 4 times, she's done. She spits up a blob of sticky stuff. She sticks to it and hangs upside down. Isn't that something? So she helps herself hang upside down. So I wonder why she has to hang upside down. Let's find out. The caterpillar molts one last time. She has formed a sac around herself. Wow, that's very interesting how she does that. The sac is called a chrysalis. She got a sac around. I wonder why. Why did she put a sac around herself? It's just like when you put a coat over yourself. She puts a chrysalis around herself. Let's find out why. Many changes are going on inside. The caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. Wow, so you can just kind of see it right there. And there's the butterfly. You can see a little more color. Because on this page, see it's like all kind of gray and a little greenish. Now you can see more and more color. Now the chrysalis is almost see-through. So it's clear and you can see the colors. After 10 days or so, the sac opens. So she gets so big in that sac that it has to open. A butterfly pops out, but she's too weak to fly. So look, now the caterpillar is a butterfly. That's so amazing. Isn't it amazing how God created all this? She holds on to the sac. She pumps fluid into her new wings. See, she's holding on. See, you can see she's holding on. Then she's pumping fluid into the wings, and then her wings dry in the sun. So she gets up on the flower and she dries her butterfly wings. And you know what next? What she does next after her wings are dry? You're right. She flies. Now the butterfly flies and looks for food. She has not eaten in 2 weeks. Can you imagine not eating in 2 weeks? And look, she's not the only butterfly. A lot of butterflies. The butterfly is from flower to flower. She unrolls her tongue. It is like a straw. She sips sweet nectar. How cool is that? She carries around her own straw. Soon she finds a winter home with other butterflies. So see in this bush? You see butterflies in this bush? Her winter home. It's time to mate. See, there's the butterflies. Our little butterfly lays her eggs under the leaf of a plant. So there's her egg right there on the plant. A few days later, a caterpillar eats its way out of its shell. The little caterpillar is very hungry. Can you guess what happens next? That's right. She eats and then she turns into a butterfly. Love that. All those real pictures. And for more books and resources, just click on homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you very much.